everyone, this is a brief demo of a replication of the QuickLab's distributed image processing in Cloud Dataprocs lab. So firstly, I created the development machine and compute engine on GCP. So here is the VM instance that I created called devhost. And then I connected to SSH where I used the open source build tool SBT to build the jar for my job. In this case, the job would be to detect faces and a set of image files stored in the bucket that I create. And if you can see here, these are the images that are inside my bucket that I'll be evaluating later on. So after that, I created my cluster and I also loaded the face detection configuration files that are needed. Once I executed everything, I went onto the GCP console into jobs to see the status of my job, and it was succeeded, which is good to see. I also went onto storage to download all of the images needed. After this, I went to the Vision API website where I got a chance to see how the machine learning model works. And it was very interesting to see because the image detection was instant and it was actually very, very accurate. Like the first dance picture I chose, all the dancers visibly look happy and excited to be in class. And I was also curious to see if they would be able to identify the different ballet attires, which they did with very high accuracy, which is very cool to see. Similarly, with the city picture, um, it detected a specific environment outdoors based on the geographic features in the image, which was very impressive because the accuracy was very high. They were able to detect that it was coming from an urban city of some sort, and they were also able to print out even a location, a very specific location. And even though the accuracy is not that high, it's very interesting that they were able to even identify at least one location. I also tried out a dog, and it was very good at detecting it was a dog, and it was also interesting to see that it was very specific to the point where it knew that it was a retriever. Similarly, with this business photo that I had, it was able to detect right on that it was a joyful image because the quality of the photo is very good, so it's visible that all the workers there are smiling. And lastly, I wanted to switch it around and just get like an opposite field and show more sentiment, and they were good at identifying this as well. So overall, this project was very interesting to me, and being able to explore this Hadoop and Spark service of Cloud Dataproc and Vision API was very interesting. And yeah, so thank you for watching.